Hi everybody,
Hello.
welcome to Life Without Measurements. A week later and it's another snowstorm.
Yep.
We got about overnight about 8 inches of snow. It's still coming down now, and it's more of a sleet heavy. The first part was kind of light, the first 8 inches or so. The back chicken around the chicken coop and the chicken run is all cleaned up, so we're able to get out and and feed the chickens and the rabbits and everybody there. And then the chickens are just hanging out under the shelter, and then they can get out and run about if they want to outside. But I don't know if they will today. And then today we're going to I got to fill up the barrels with feed, so we're going to get the barrels filled up, bring a few bags out to one run and then a few bags out to the other.
Yeah.
What's the temperature?
Today it get up to like 29, and
Yeah.
the low is gonna be like 26. It's not that.
Yeah, I think they said it was about 25, 26 right now. But with the wind, it's actually a little bit, it feels a little bit cooler, but we're dressed warm, so.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started on that.
Alrighty.
Close this so the wind doesn't blow the snow. So we got about 3 bags in there that we bring to the older chickens to fill up that barrel. That fills it up to the top.
It lasts them a week.
So I got the path wide enough coming down in case for any reason we needed to have the lawn tractor, like tow the trailer or something down if we had an emergency. But other than that, it's just primarily for the wheelbarrow and for us walking. It just makes it a whole lot easier. And then I'll cleaned out. This is the electrical box over here that goes goes out to the chicken coop and then back, comes out from the house. So I just keep that nice and clear. So the chickens have already been fed this morning. Dee Dee was out doing that while I was cleaning up the snow. Like I said, we have all the snow cleared up in the back and around the coops. I still have the driveway, but we're not going anywhere for a while.
Yeah.
So I guess these guys are more important. So after we get the feed in, we get all the other stuff to go in the mixture, the cracked corn and the oats, sunflower seeds we have. Right now this had a little bit in it, so we'll see if we get the full. Here's 3 bags. If not, it goes over to the little ones anyway, because I gotta bring bags up for them. But it should be right up to the top. Come see, right up to the top.
Yeah.
Can you see to the top? Filled it up.
Oh.
Hey. Somebody's hungry still. Like you don't have enough food around there. No. Yes. Yeah, you a good boy, huh? Yes. Say hi. Okay. For the younger chicks, I don't have access with a snowblower. In there I don't shovel, so they just have their under their shelter area for the time being. We'll see if we change that around, after this winter. If anybody watched a couple videos ago when we were doing the video in the about the shed that I built, I think I made the comment in there about only using the snowblower once. Now I get to use it every week.
Yeah, from the time that you mentioned that, and the snow keep coming.
I'm sure it was going to snow anyway, and it is that time of year. That's the way it goes. It's just kind of funny. It snowed at least once a week since then, or in a good storm. Well, this one already had some in it and some of the mixture, so I think this bag, we'll just take some of this bag in there, but at least it's filled up. We got that one.
Put all the whole thing in.
You want me to put it all? Okay. Okay, fair enough. Did you see did you show the chickens under the shelter? Oh, yeah, guys, remember the first video that we did when we built the shelter? Well, there it is. It's small, but they're able to eat under there, stay out of the snow.
Yeah, they stay out of the element.
Yep. They still come out and walk around a little bit. like I said, we'll get a
Yeah. They have plenty of rooms.
better kind of setup, because some of them are in the coop and then some of them are out under the shelter. But they're doing well. They're comfortable. And happy. Everybody, it's a few hours after when we were out earlier. We waited a little while because the snow started coming down, really heavy. And since then, on top of the about 8 inches that we had overnight, we got at least 2 inches that went on top of that. But like I said earlier, we had cleaned up the all around the chicken run, so the chickens can still get out if they want to. Now I'll just be focusing on the driveway, and then I'll do a pass over there. But the snow has already been falling off the roof, probably from the wind. It's been windy. We brought our ash bucket, or filled that up from the wood stove. We let those cool down, and then we poured into the big bucket, so we have it for the chickens to do their dust baths. You see the snow up on the, still some on the roof, and then there's some that's already fallen on there too. And if we go over this way, you get a good idea of what fell afterwards. Yeah, the ramp here was perfectly cleaned off this morning, so you'll get an idea of what fell just in a couple hours afterwards. So I'm just cleaning this off again, getting the snowblower out, and then I'll take care of the driveway. Okay, which you saw the other day in the video, so you don't have to see that one today. Maybe we'll just do a quick one when I have it all finished up on the driveway, so you'll see it all gone. Dee Dee can pan the driveway now, and then we'll do a clean shot afterwards. Okay, we're gonna wrap this one up. This snow started coming down again, but the driveway is all cleared up, and then I'm just gonna touch up the back for the chickens for that second one that fell down. And again, it looks like I'll be doing some again tomorrow, or if I don't have time tomorrow, I do it the next day because tomorrow's already a busy day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So again, thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let us know how you like the video. Let us know how you like this kind of stuff. And also, you can check out our other videos that we've made in the past too. And ring that notification bell so you stay up to date with any new videos that do come out.
The snow is keep coming down.
Yeah. looks like it'll keep going till it gets dark too. But don't forget to like us, share us on all your social media. But until the next video, we will see you next time. Thanks again.